Endless YouTube videos, unfinished courses, no clear path. Yeah, we have all been there. But what if learning was structured, motivating, and actually job ready? Welcome to ThinkRook, your all-in-one e-learning companion. Start your journey at thinkrook.com. New here, signing up is quick and easy. Already have an account? Just log in. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard, a personalized space where you will see all your ongoing courses, progress, and announcements. Want to explore more courses? Just click on the Courses tab. Here you will find everything neatly categorized into standard courses and premium courses. Looking for something specific? Use the search bar. Just type in what you want, like Python, and there you go. Click on it to check out its full course overview, curriculum, and other details. Back to the dashboard, look to the left, click on My Courses to view all the courses you are enrolled in. Pick a course and you are inside the learning area, where you will find video lessons, downloadable resources, and a Mark as Complete button to track your progress. Go back, check your announcements. This is where you will see any course updates, live session alerts, or instructor messages. Click on My Purchases to view all the courses you have bought. Everything is tracked and organized. Now on to the best part, certificates. Here you will find all your course completion certificates. Download them or share your achievement directly on LinkedIn, Facebook, or X. You can even verify your certificate. Just copy the certificate number, go to Verify Certificate tab, paste it in, and boom, all the official details are here. Who it was issued to, the course, date of issue, everything. That's how easy and powerful learning is on ThinkRook. Focused, flexible, future ready. Start your journey today only at thinkrook.com.